A meeting between the full Election Commission and the Prime Minister's office has raised questions on breach of protocol. The Indian Express had reported that Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra and the two election commissioners, Rajiv Kumar and Anup Chandra Pandey, joined an online interaction called by the Prime Minister's office on November 16th, despite reservations. Reports say an unusually worded letter was received by the Election Commission from an official of the Law Ministry. The note read that Principal Secretary to Prime Minister P.K. Mishra will chair a meeting on a common electoral roll and expects CEC to be present. The note caused a flutter as it appeared to be summons by the PMO. The opposition protested this meeting, saying that the autonomy of institutions were being compromised. The Election Commission is a constitutional authority and its functioning is insulated from the executive. Congress MP Manish Tiwari said, "I have submitted a notice of adjournment motion with regard to the story that appeared in the Indian Express, essentially flagging the fact that the autonomy of the institutions has been compromised. Therefore, under the circumstances, it is extremely important for the House to discuss the issue." The Indian Express, citing an official of the Election Commission, said that the CEC Chandra was reportedly unhappy with the tone of the note. Ultimately, the meeting with Mishra was attended by the Commission's officials and not the commissioners. However, immediately after the meeting, the CEC and the two ECs did attend an informal interaction with Mishra on the topic of a common electoral roll. The meeting was regarding electoral reforms, which the cabinet cleared on Wednesday. The Indian Express report, quoting the source, said the interaction was informal and that no discussion was held on the upcoming assembly elections.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.